No matter the task at hand, whether you're saving a life or getting the job done, timing is always critical. Your next mission in the air could save precious lives, cost, and time. The Vue TZ20 R is the ultimate thermal payload for the DJI Matrice V2 200 and 300 series. High-resolution Boson cameras on board see more detail than any other thermal payload on the market. Unmatched thermal zoom at 5, 10, and 20x. Get more pixels on target with the TZ20R's narrow and wide field of view. More pixels, more accuracy, faster missions. Get more from your DJI Matrice with the Vue TZ20 R from Teledyne FLIR.